What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sticker Teacher. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most fascinating features of Vietnamese language. Guess what? The 6 tones in Vietnamese. I know that for many foreigners, tones or marks are quite a challenge. The same word with different tones can have different meanings. For example, if you say ngu như heo, to someone you mean he or she is stupid like a pig, but I know you wanted to say ngủ như heo, which means sleep like a pig. So be careful. This video will give you a better understanding and practice so that you can feel that learning these tones is vital and also fun. Now let's begin. In Vietnamese, we have 6 tones which are ngang, unmarked, sắc, acute, huyền, grave, hỏi, hook above, ngã, tilde, and nặng, under dot. This is the chart showing the pitch of each tone. Before we start, I have one tip for you. When you pronounce these tones, imagine that you are singing. Because Vietnamese is a tonal language. Always remember that you need to raise up or lower down your voice accordingly with the tones. First, let's start with dấu ngang, unmarked. It's the mid-range tone. It has no stress, it's just a flat tone. You neither raise nor lower down your voice. For example, la, la, la. Got it? Sure. More practicing. This is not vegan, okay? Ba, con, ma. Keep them flat and balanced. Ba, con, ma. Excellent. Now let's move on to a difficult one. Dấu sắc, acute. This tone's location is above a vowel, giving a high rising pitch. When you pronounce this tone, think about the word oops. For example, la, la, la. Do you see the difference between the unmarked and acute tones? This is unmarked. La, la, la. Now is acute. La, la, la. Raise your voice a little bit. Try to speak it more loudly. Let's do some more practicing. Chó, hút, thuốc. Okay, now more slowly for you. Chó, hút, thuốc. Now the next tone is dấu huyền, grave. This one is the opposite side of the acute one. This tone gives a low pitch. That means you have to lower down your voice a little. For example, la, la, la. Đời đàn bà. More slowly now. Đời đàn bà. Alright, the next tone is dấu hỏi, hook above. Also referred as to question mark because it looks like a question mark but without a dot. This tone makes you change your pitch more than one time because it's the mid-low drop in pitch. For example, lã, lã, lã. Bỏ cả phổi, bỏ cả phổi. The 5th tone is dấu ngã, tilde. This is the most annoying tone. It's even very challenging for many Vietnamese people, especially the southern people. The hook above and this tilde tone are quite confusing as they sound a little similar. In spoken language, if you messed up with these 2 tones, I'm sure people will still understand you. Alright, this tone gives highest rising pitch among the 6 tones. For example, la, la, la. My goodness, I am not a fan of this tone. Okay. Lỗi, cãi, mãi. Lỗi, cãi, mãi. Alright, now the final tone is the underdot, which is the lowest tone given a low drop in pitch. It places under a vowel. So I find this tone like a bass tone because you have to lower down your voice that produces a short bass effect. For example, la, la, la. Bị lộ diện, bị lộ diện. Okay, now let's combine all these tones at once so that it will become more confusing. Just joking, let's practice. Say along with me or repeat after me. It's all up to you. La, 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 la. One more time, come on. La, 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 la. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you find my video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And now, ciao tạm biệt.